Hello everyone, myself Rahul Subhash Kadgeri from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Subject code is BESEK 104A. Introduction to Civil Engineering. Topic is expansion of effects of poor solid waste management and methods of solid waste management. Effects of poor solid waste management. Improper disposal of waste results in pollution of land, water, air, and threatening ecosystem and biodiversity. Improper disposal of solid waste can lead to health hazards such as spread of diseases through contaminated water, air, and land as increased vector-borne diseases due to bleeding grounds for pests like mosquitoes. Inadequate solid waste management leads to significant economic consequences, including high cleanup costs for environmental damage and loss of tourism revenue due to degraded aesthetics and environmental pollution. Health hazards. The health risks associated with improper waste disposal, such as spread of disease and contamination of food and water sources. Landfill pollution. Over 3 years, landfill waste in Springfield increased from 5 lakh to 7 lakh tons, correlating with 30% rise in respiratory illness in nearby communities. Water pollution. Contamination levels in water bodies rose from 100 to 150 parts per million in Springfield, contributing to 40% increase in waterborne diseases like cholera. Air pollution. The air quality index worsened from 150 to 170 in Springfield with unregulated waste burning and landfill emission causing 25% increase in hospital admissions for respiratory ailments. Economic impact. A cleanup cost. The cleanup of polluted landfills and water bodies in Springboard could incur millions of dollars in expense for remediation efforts, including waste removal, soil restoration, and groundwater treatment. Healthcare expense. Treating respiratory illness, waterborne diseases resulting from pollution in Springfield may impose a significant financial burdens on healthcare systems, including hospitalization costs, medication expense, and long-term care affected individuals. Methods of solid waste management. First one is reduce. Minimizing the packaging system. Businesses can adopt eco-friendly packaging materials, reducing waste and environmental impact. Promoting reusable products. Engaging consumers to reuse items like water bottles and shopping bags reduces single-use plastic consumption and waste generation. Encouraging consumers awareness, educating the public about the environmental impact of their choices empowers them to make more sustainable decisions, contributing to waste reduction efforts. Methods of solid waste management. Second one, compost, reducing greenhouse gas emission. Composed organic waste reduces methane emission, migrating climate change impact, improving soil health. Composts enhance soil fertility, reducing the need for aesthetic fertilizer, conserving resources. Composing diverts waste from landfills, conserving land and reducing environmental impacts, enhancing biodiversity. Compost enriches soil, fostering ecosystem resilience and biodiversity. Third one, reuse. Highlight the importance of reusing materials to extend their lifespan and reduce waste generation. Showcase example of items that can be reused or repurposed instead of being discarded. Methods of solid waste management for some landfill. Address the necessity of landfills in waste management, particularly for non-recyclable and hazardous waste. Highlight the best practices for landfill redesign operations and monitoring the minimize environmental impacts. Fifth one, recycle. Explain the concept of recycling and its role in diverting waste from landfills. Provide information on different types of recyclable materials and recycling processes. Reducing landfill volume. Converting waste into energy extends landfill lifespan and reduces the need of new landfill sites, minimizing the environmental impact. Generating renewable energy. Waste to energy facilities produce renewable electricity and reducing heat dependency on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emission. Environmental concern. Waste to energy processes many emit pollutants such as particulate matter and greenhouse gases contributing to air pollution and climate change. Public opposition. Community members often express concern about the potential air and water pollution as well as health risks associated with waste to energy facilities, leading to public resistance and regulatory hurdles. Conclusion. Summarizing the key points of the presentation, emphasize the importance for proper solid waste management for environmental protection, public health, and economic sustainability. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.